Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, welcome. Aujourd'hui, on va continuer avec le vocabulaire de chapitre 6. Today we are going to continue with vocab from chapter 6. On va ajouter de nouveaux mots. Today we are going to learn some new words. With that, on va commencer. Let's start. En premier, first off, we have j'aimerais, and il aimerait. So you can kind of pick out that the verb aimer is in there. So it's something to do with liking. So j'aimerais and il aimerait just mean would like. So j'aimerais means I would like, il aimerait, he would like, and you can switch that out with elle aimerait, etc., etc. So j'aimerais, I would like, il aimerait, he would like. You'd use this when you're ordering at a restaurant and you would say, oh, j'aimerais des œufs. I would like the eggs. La deuxième mot, oui, je veux bien. This should be a little bit of review from French 1 when we learned bien and je veux from French 2 earlier in the year when we conjugated the verb vouloir, to want. So oui, je veux bien, I would really like, or yes, please. So oui, je veux bien, I'd really like it, or oui, yes, please. Prendre is one of the verbs that we're going to learn this chapter. Prendre is the verb to take or to have when you are talking about foods and drinks. So prendre is the verb to take or to have when you're talking about foods or drinks. But we are going to learn how to conjugate that verb ce chapitre in this chapter. So prendre. Aussi, on a le verbe manger. Manger, this is a review from French 1. You learned this French 1 in chapter 2, the beginning of the year, when we talked about likes and dislikes. We learned manger was the verb to eat. Up next is the verb boire. Boire. Boire is the verb to drink. So that is a verb that we are going to learn how to conjugate this chapter and how to say I drink, you drink, etc. Boire. Our next word, qu'est-ce que tu veux boire? So now that we know boire means to drink, we have qu'est-ce que tu veux boire? What do you want to drink? You could switch out boire and you could say qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? Or you could even take out that second verb and say qu'est-ce que tu veux? What do you want? Okay, tu veux and vous voulez. So we already learned how to conjugate the verb vouloir. So we have tu veux and vous voulez. Do you want? One is just the formal and one is just the informal. Tu veux and vous voulez. Comment tu trouves la tartine? Comment tu trouves la tartine just means what do you think of? And then you put in whatever you're talking about. So comment tu trouves la tartine? What do you think of the tartine, or how do you like it? You could say comment tu trouves le jus d'orange? How do you like the orange juice, or what do you think of the orange juice? Etc. Il ou elle est comment? And then you put your food item there or your drink. So we could say, il est comment le café? How is the coffee? We could also say, elle est comment la baguette? Or elle est comment la tartine? How is the baguette? Or how is the tartine? So il/elle est comment is just asking, how is it? La prochaine, we have délicieux and délicieuse. So just a masculine and a feminine form. This looks very similar to the word in English, so it should be pretty easy to figure out. Délicieux and délicieuse mean delicious. So you could respond to our last question, comment tu trouves la tartine, with délicieuse, delicious. Il ou elle est vraiment mauvais ou mauvaise. So if by chance that tartine is not good, you could say elle est vraiment mauvaise. Mauvaise, bad. It's really bad. So mauvais is that masculine, and mauvaise with that E on the end is the feminine. Bon and bonne. So bon means good and bonne means good as well. Just the masculine versus the feminine form. So bon and bonne both mean good. We have pas bon or pas bonne due to, not good at all. So that due to is our new part. So pas bon we know is not good, and due to is our new part at all. Pas bon due to or pas bonne due to if you're talking about something that is feminine. C'est la fin. That is the end of the vocab. So real quick, let's go through and kind of review some of those main words. We talked about délicieux and délicieuse to say something is delicious. We also said comment tu trouves, and we put in our food item, la tartine. How is the tartine, or what do you think of the tartine? We also could say il est comment le toast. How is the toast? And then our last one is pas bon or pas bonne due to, not good at all. C'est tout pour la vidéo pour aujourd'hui. That's it for the video today. Si vous avez des questions, envoyez un email, send an email. Et c'est tout et à plus.